our like body language should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that depends on person. And we are speaking rudely.
Or not.
It should be politely.
Yeah. Politely, you
Yeah.
are saying your things in a good manner way. So it is
Yes.
a
And some people like they are speaking like this. This is not good way. And they are eating like this. This is also not good. If we are speaking, we are talking to someone, we have to take interest in that.
if
And we are
you are
doing something else. Okay. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Okay. I am also good. Thank you for asking. So nowadays, how your practice is going on?
My practice is going on good, ma'am.
Okay. When did you start your journey? May I know
Uh,
about that?
yeah, I approximately start 6 months ago. I started my journey.
Okay. So how much did you improve in those days, those months?
Yeah, I did improve a lot because that time I was not able to speak it because that time I feel a lot. But yeah, right now I'm able to.
Okay. Which type practice are you doing for like that spoken? Which type
Um,
practice are you doing?
of the time I speak with my friends, I speak alone, and most of the time I listen a lot because listening is the very important. Without
First,
listening, we are
yes.
yeah
First
we are
is
not.
speaking. Speaking is very important.
Yeah, speaking is important, ma'am. But
If
according to me,
we are listening, yes, if we are listening, we are not speaking, so we cannot improve.
yeah,
First point is speaking.
according to me, because when we do not listen anything, so
Yes,
how can we speak it? Whenever we
yes,
listen anything, suppose that it is a human nature. We listen a song. Suddenly we listen any song and 2 3 times we listen this song, so sometimes we croon it, that song in our mind and anything. So it is a human nature, we imbibe this thing. So as well as listening is the very important to learn this language. After that we are
uh,
able to anything. Yeah.
yes. If we are not speaking, we are feeling agitation. We are listening daily, but we
Yeah.
have agitation. We have no confidence. How can we speak?
Yeah,
We have
speaking is
listened a lot of things.
speaking, we
Yeah,
can't gain the confidence. If we want to improve our confidence, so speaking is the most important.
yeah.
So the arts is very
You know,
important.
Yes, if we are going to give interview, suppose we are going to give interview and we are not speaking there,
Yeah,
interviewer can ask any question. We have listened a lots of things, but we are not able to give answer. So
yeah.
this is waste totally. We
So
don't have confidence.
yeah,
Yeah,
uh,
to speak. First,
speak
we
the
should
confidence.
have confidence to speak. If we don't have confidence, our knowledge, our everything is, waste.
Yeah. So
Without
it is
confidence is nothing.
yeah. Without confidence is nothing. But when it comes to speak at a stretch, so it is we can clearly speak it and we can get the confidence also. So speaking
Yes.
is the
Okay, when did you start your conversation?
recently I start, ma'am, only. I uploaded only 2 videos right now. I'm working on it. I give the session in another platforms, another YouTube channel. But I didn't
Okay.
upload my. I uploaded my channel only 2 videos conversation. I have. I will upload as a future.
Okay. So you know that which type practice are you doing that for? That do you teach on board also?
Yeah. Sometime it depend on the chapter. Sometimes I need to a whiteboard, so I teach to my board. Whenever I do not need to board, so I do not.
Okay, so now we are meeting first time, so we should introduce about each other. Yeah, first,
Yeah, yeah,
very first time. So my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a daughter that is 7 months, as you know about that. And I have done my graduation. I am homemaker as well, or as well YouTuber also. And my channel is running nowadays. I started my journey before 3 months. Yeah, I started that time. I was feeling not good. I feel hesitation. But now I got some confidence by while making conversation and by speaking. I practice alone. Sometimes I practice alone. Sometimes I practice by making conversation.
yeah.
So I have
Because
seen changes in myself.
yeah, because conversation is a very good thing to create the fluency. If
Yes, yes,
want to fluency, so we should conversation to stranger person to another person. Sometimes it happen with us when we do conversation with our friends, relatives. So we are comfortable to that conversation. But when it comes to speak with the stranger person, so it is very difficult for us. We get more hesitate when it
yes,
comes to
yes,
stranger person. So according to me, we should talk many times the stranger person, so we can get the confidence level. That time we can decide it what is our confidence level. Our confidence level is good or our confidence level is low. So we can get
yes,
easily. Yeah,
yes. You know that nowadays that housewife are is improving English, and they are improving their English on YouTube channel. And they have
yeah, yeah,
seen that there are many housewives also is improving, and they are learning for their children
yeah.
because
Because
they go in school and they face problem
yeah.
in parents
Uh,
meeting. They go and they face problem.
yeah. Without any learning, without any speaking skills. So it is very difficult for manage all the things, whatever we have to pay the responsibility we have to do. So it's
Yes, yes.
very, but it is the best way to learn this language. YouTube
We
is
can
a best.
say uh, we are approaching with different people on this platform.
Yeah, yeah. So it,
Approaching means, do you know means of approach?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Approach means we are connecting. We can say sampark karna. Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
approaching.
I
Yes,
understand.
if we
I
are
understand.
using, different, so it looks good. We are connecting. Every person can use that. We are approaching.
Yeah. So talk with different persons so we can create the community also, because
Yes.
if we a good speaker, so it's a need to communication. We have to improve our communication skills so we can
So
communicate to different people.
yes. What is
Yeah.
different with speaking and communication skills? Or what should be there in communication skills? What is need? What should be there in communication skills? What comes?
Communicate if we have to improve our communication skills, so we should talk different type of people. So in this way we can identify we have a hesitation to speak in front of others person. Yeah, we have no, we don't have a hesitation speak it in front of others. We suppose that someone is giving you a topic, you have to speak in this way. It doesn't matter that person don't know about you, you have a knowledge of these things or not. Suppose that he gives you a topic about education. If you don't have a knowledge about the education, so you can't build your communication skill. Communication skill means you will be perfect all the things. Your
Yes,
vocabulary,
our body
yeah,
language should be good. It doesn't
I,
matter it is English or Hindi. That communication skills, it can be in Hindi or in English also.
yeah,
Communication means our that speaking way, how to talk. Our like body language should be good.
yeah.
Yeah, that depends on person. And we are speaking rudely.
Or not.
It should be politely.
Yeah. Politely, you
Yeah.
are saying your things in a good manner way. So it is
Yes.
a
And some people like they are speaking like this. This is not good way. And they are eating like this. This is also not good. If we are speaking, we are talking to someone, we have to take interest in that.
if
And we are
you are
doing something else.
other person, so that talking you just feel like enjoy, not like I'm giving the interview. Only feel like that,
Yes.
yeah, I'm enjoying that conversation. Don't feel bored. Yes, I'm taking the exam. I'm giving the exam, so it is the exam for me only. No, the conversation is going on only your speaking way. You will lots of enjoy. So it is a good way.
Yes. And if we are not, our talking way should be good. Our talking way should is not good. We are speaking like seriously, like we are serious and we don't have a smile on face. That
No,
people
no,
will not like you. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
they will not take interest to talk to you. So
yeah.
there
Sometimes,
should be smile,
yeah.
and our talking way should be good. That we are talking, and our talking should be like that. That person should be happy with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, if that we are speaking like that very loud, and that person will also not like. That should be
That,
soft. Our voice should be softly.
okay.
Yeah, and
Uh,
that effectively also that person like that. If they don't like, why will you watch you? There are many people to watching. If we don't have politeness, so we cannot.
yeah, yeah. It
Okay.
is important factor to
Yes.
conversation in front of others.
Okay,
Yeah.
can we talk any topic? Can we take any topic? Do you like any online shopping and offline shopping? Which
Can
type of
suggest
shopping do you like?
discipline.
Okay,
Uh,
discipline we can talk about.
yeah,
There should be,
yeah,
there should be,
yeah.
if we have given, yeah, we should be
Dis-
punctual also.
if you have had decided, we have to do this work. You are imbibing any skills. I'm not talking about the English skill. Different types of people in the world. They want to become a doctor. They want to become a teacher. They want to become a dancer. They want to become a artist. So it's a need. They have to imbibe their skills. So how can
Yes,
we
yes.
imbibe skills the with the way of the discipline? Suppose that I am talking about the simple example. If you are getting up early, you have decided, I have to get up 6 o'clock. But
Yes,
have decided last night. You have decided I have to wake up
yes,
early
yes.
o'clock, but you are waking up 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So right now you are not disciplined. If
Yes,
you
we should
uh,
be follow all discipline. Yeah, if we have decided to do that, we have to work on that.
yeah, suppose that we have to work clock,
You have,
some work you
yes,
have to do, but you get up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, you can do your works in on time.
you know, I think that I will wake up early and I will do exercise on daily basis. What happened with me, that time I sleep, my daughter wake up in night. She wake up at 12 o'clock, sometimes 1 o'clock. She doesn't sleep that time. And now if I do not take a proper sleep, so cannot wake up early.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
happen
And
because
yes,
the what, uh, sleeping is the compulsory to our body.
yes,
If we do not fulfill our promises, uh, I have promised it with myself. So how can I expect this? I can fulfill our dreams, our targets. We have to fulfill. So it is
yes.
not
And you
possible.
know that if we have session to serve with someone, and we have given time to 12, 2 o'clock, that person has given time to us 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So we should be ready. And how we should be ready
Yeah,
that time? We should be
go.
punctual.
Yeah,
If you are not giving that I am not ready, suppose I am not ready, I have given that time, that person, you will think that you are not punctual, how can you do anything?
yeah,
So
yeah.
punctuality is very important.
Yeah, always we should punctual to in our time. Because suppose
Yes.
that I'm thinking about me. I have decided last night I have to do
So
this work.
I have one session with someone at 1 o'clock. So I think our time got wasted because of link.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, ma'am.
So
I
if
have,
she is coming, so I am talking with her. She told me that 1 o'clock, so I should be ready for that.
yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
have a check, ma'am, 1 o'clock. So I'm getting
Okay,
really late.
sir. Okay, bye bye. It was a
Yeah,
nice conversation with you. We
yeah,
discussed
yeah,
a lot.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
bye.
Thank